It's a me, a Mario. What do you guys think of the stash, guys? Looks pretty dope, huh? We'll be right back. Don't go away. Hey, welcome back, Whiskey Questers. If you're new to the channel, my name's Antonio, or I should say Mario. Oh my god. Alright, cut that out, cut that out. Hey, my name's Antonio, and in this channel, I like to review whiskeys from all over the world. So if you're curious about whiskey, want to learn more about whiskey, or just in general, you love whiskey, consider hitting that subscribe button with the bell notification so you can stick around for more videos just like this. Alright, my wife's been bugging me to get rid of this, but I just had to do it. I just had to do it. I don't know. Why don't you guys put it down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think of the stash. Yeah. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, alright. The stash is gone. The wife was not happy. Oh well. You gotta keep the wife happy. Alright, let's move on to the bourbon here. Alright, so this one is the small batch BAKERS. This is from Jim Beam, and it comes at 107 proof, and it's aged for 7 years. They recently just stopped making the small batch, and it is now a single barrel. So still the same age, the same proof, and I'm assuming it's gonna have the same kind of flavors, but I'm gonna have to pick one of those up and do a comparison for sure. Now I'm gonna put a link to a video in the description below. Brent from the Oak and Smoke Whiskey Reviews, he recently, just today actually, that I'm recording this today on a Friday night, he released his review on the single barrel for BAKERS. So definitely go check it out after my video. Don't leave just yet. After my video, go check it out, because these are still out there for you to find. So I think it'll be worth having both. The other thing they did with the bottle is the price went up $5. So this one will run you $55, and obviously the single barrel will be $60. The mash bill in this, I was able to find out that it's 77% corn, 13% rye, and 10% malted barley. By the way, Baker was Jim Beam's grandnephew, so this is named after that guy right there. All right, so the color on this, guys, it's a really like a nice dark copper kind of color, really nice color. Again, with bourbons, there's no color added to it, so this is all natural coming from the wood. All right, so let's get this started. Let's move on to the nose. This one, guys, when I first opened it, I was getting like a lot of barrel notes, but as time has passed by and it's gone down a little bit, it really opened up nicely. I get caramel, chocolate, there's some apple notes in there, like red apples. Also get a little bit of leather, cherries, some char going on, oak. It's a really good nose, guys, really good nose. And for 107 proof, you don't really get that alcohol burn on the nostrils. All right, let's get this tasting rolling, guys. All right, cheers. Come on. This is a beautiful dram, guys. Oh my God, come on. That is just great stuff. Come on, seriously. Man, that's just great bourbon, guys. You cannot mess with this one right here. It's the hell? No way. My beard grow back. This'll definitely put some hair in your face, guys. Definitely. Oh man. All right. You get a good amount of black pepper. That high percentage of rye is really coming through on this one. The proof on it helping it right there. Dark chocolate, caramel, turning into a burnt sugar, some oak, that leather note is also coming out, some cherries. Pretty much what I got on the nose is coming through on the palate. Some nuttiness. That finish just lingers, it goes on and on. Really, really awesome stuff, guys. Wow. Every time I taste it, it's just it amazes me of how good it is, seriously. All right, so my final thoughts on the BAKERS small batch bourbon whiskey here. This is really good stuff. I'm really happy to have purchased this one right here, especially finding it at $55. Now, when I added a drop of water to this, the nose got super sweet. I mean, honey came out, that caramel turned into like a sweet caramel, like those little square, you know, milky caramel kind of candy, something like that it was reminding me of. And on the palate, those flavors were still there. They just got, you know, toned down a bit. Everything else besides the sweetness took a back seat, and it got really sweet. It's just worth trying with a drop of water, guys. Seriously, that finish was still on the long side, and that char was coming out even more at the end over there. Really good stuff. Highly recommend this one. And for that, I'm gonna score this one a good 92 out of 100. I mean, for value, it's really good stuff, guys. Seriously. All right, so that's it for the review, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed making this review here. This is one hell of a whiskey. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of this or the new single barrel that came out. And don't forget to go check out my boy Brent over at the Oak and Smoke Whiskey Reviews and check out his thoughts on the new bottle of this BAKERS bourbon right here. If you start seeing hair in the palm of your hands, don't blame that on the whiskey. All right, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be alerted of new videos I post just like this. See you guys on the next one. Have an awesome day. Cheers, everybody. Peace. So good. So good.